So my name's Karen Sutherland and my business is Edible Eden Design, and today I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight into some of the native plants used for food and medicine that I've integrated into my food forest in the northern suburbs of Melbourne. So it's about a 600 square metre, not quite, block, and it's been establishing for the last 30 years, and there's over 200 different species here. And I've been more recently integrating more medicine plants into my garden. I've already got a lot of native food plants, so I thought you'd like to see how they work in together. So today I thought I'd show you how much growth you could expect in a garden situation for your gumbi tree, also called weeping pittosporum, also called Pittosporum angustifolium for its botanical name, for identification purposes. So this plant I had in a 150ml, also known as 6-inch pot, when I planted it about 2 years ago, and it was probably about this high at the time, so maybe, what's that, around 30 centimetres when it was planted, something like that. It was quite floppy, and that's a bit of a feature of these with the common name of weeping pittosporum. You can imagine that they might need a little bit of support when they're first growing. So you can see it's got a little bit of a wavy trunk. That's perfectly normal for this kind of plant. This is not a extremely cultivated or bred plant. It's still they're still wild plants, and the seeds come from usually remnant vegetation. So there's also a lot of variation, I should say, with gumbi foliage. So you do need to make sure it's positively identifiable when you buy it, but we'll talk about that later. So this has been in a clay soil. That's an improved clay, so I put gypsum and compost and pelletized manure on my garden just once a year. It's not a heavily managed area. You can see recycled, I put all my garden waste through a mulcher. I prefer that to chop and drop because I get a finer product that breaks down better, and I have less problems with snails. It's a personal decision, but it's a pretty natural environment. I don't use any sprays or any other chemicals on the garden. I just add gypsum to help open up the clay somewhat, because that only lasts about 6 months. And you can see the growth that I've had with this. This is on automatic irrigation. I'm a big user of automatic irrigation. I really like it. It makes my life easier. But here it is growing next to a babago. It's in a protected environment in the northern suburbs of Melbourne. It's also next to a dwarf fig. It's integrated into the garden, and so this is what I'm really trying to show you, is that this is a lovely small tree for a garden situation that you can also then access for its medicinal purposes.